The rules of prayer. The first rule in prayer is to approach God with legitimate desires. The second, pray to God for their fulfillment, not as a beggar but as a son. Say your prayer like, I am your child, you are my father, you and I are one. When you pray deeply and continuously, you will feel a great joy welling up in your heart. Don't be satisfied until the joy manifests. For when you feel that satisfying joy in your heart, you will know that God has tuned into your prayer broadcast. Then pray to your Father, Lord, this is what I need. I am willing to work for it. Please guide me and help me have the right thoughts and to do the right things to bring about success. I will use my reasoning and work with determination, but guide my reasoning, my will, and guide me to do the right thing that I should do. Now, as soon as you ask God about some undertaking, you will know whether you should do it or not, and the steps whether you should take or not. Be practical and earnest about your prayer. Concentrate deeply on what you are praying. Before you seek anything important, think of that power. Think of it continuously. Take time out of your sleep. Your mind is habituated to resting at night. This is the best time to pray. And then you will receive God's response. Be connected, be receptive.